Assalamualaikum and a very good day to our lecturer. My name is Mirza Kwambi Ahmad. My number metric is B06241070. So today my group and I will be presenting our analysis on supply chain management of McDonald's. Introduction of industry. The fast food industry is characterized by its ability to deliver quick, affordable and ready-to-eat meals. It is highly competitive and fast-moving market that focuses heavily on three pillars: speed, efficiency, and consistent service quality. Because of this requirement, there is a strong reliance on supply chain management. Effective supply chain management is what ensures a continuous supply of ingredients, maintain food safety, and provide the cost control necessary to keep price affordable for customers. And next, for company backgrounds of McDonald's. McDonald's founded in 1940, United States, one of the largest global fast food operation in over 100 countries with thousands of outlets, known for standardized menu and consistent product quality, used franchise business model for global expansions. Strong system ensure efficient operation and coordination maintain brand consistency and competitive advantage worldwide. That's all from me. Thank you. I will pass to the next.
Hi, hello, and a warm welcome to Miss Noor Ilyana Amira. My name is Yashun Alaik Pharmacium from BTMM Section 3. My metric ID is B0624100719. Today, I'm going to present about McDonald's supply chain structure. First off, it starts from supplier. So the company is known as Cargill, who provide raw materials with strict quality, safety, and sustainability standard. The next step will be manufacturer. The company is known as OSI, who process semi-finished or finished food products from the suppliers. And the next step is distribution. The next step will be distribution. So distribution center will store the products in a dry, chill, or frozen condition, and they'll send it to the next step will be logistic partner, who is none other than DHL, who maintain the cold chain logistic with a reasonable temperature and a quality check before sending it to the restaurants. So after the restaurants receive it, the product received or the store they prepared for customer. So after customer purchase the product, they'll peacefully enjoy the product. I will also explain the flow of the supply chain and the key methods and strategies of McDonald's. So as for the flow, there are three, which is material flow, information flow, and also financial flow. So moving to key methods and strategies by McDonald's, which is JIT, also known as just-in-time method. So it minimizes inventory costs and reduce waste. Cold chain logistics to ensure freshness and food safety, and technology integration for demand forecasting, tracking, and also data analysis. And the last one will be strategic supplier partnership to ensure reliability, quality, and innovation. So overall, I would like to tell that this shows how McDonald's uses uh, su- highly connected supply chain model and organized system to maintain good customer service, manage costs, and minimum wastage.
A very good day to our lecturer. My name is Tanjing. I will present the key challenges and potential risks in the supply chain of McDonald's. First, supply instability is a major challenge. McDonald's depends on global supplies for raw materials such as potato. This makes the supply chains vulnerable to disruption like shipping delay and port congestion. For example, in Malaysia, McDonald's faced a freight shortage in 2022 where large-size freight was temporarily unavailable. This reduced customer satisfaction, disrupted operation, increased costs, and affected sales. Next is the increase in operating costs. Globally, McDonald's faced cost pressure from inflation and exchange rate fluctuation. For example, in Malaysia, food inflation increased by 4.1% and the weaker currency raised import costs. As a result, supply chain costs increase, profit margin decrease, and financial and inventory efficiency are affected. Another challenge is geographical and logistic difference across regions. distribution become more complex due to difference in infrastructure. For example, delivery to each Malaysia, such as Sabah and Sarawak, rely on sea and air transport, with logistic costs up to 50% higher. This leads to delay, higher costs, reduced freshness, and even food waste, which affect customer satisfaction. Finally, compliance with local regulation is a key risk. In markets like Malaysia and Indonesia, halal compliance is required across the entire supply chain. However, the use of third-party logistics will increase the risk of non-compliance, such as cross-contamination. This may lead to legal issues, higher costs, reputation damage, and customer boycott. That's all for me. Thank you.
Good day to our lecturer. My name is Vedamalini Abdulsami. Today I will be presenting the recommendations and improvements for McDonald's supply chain. First, McDonald's should improve their cold chain logistics. Since many food items like chicken, beef, milk, and frozen fries are perishable, and proper temperature control is very important. By using temperature monitoring system and real-time tracking technology, McDonald's can reduce food spoilage and maintain food freshness and quality. Second, McDonald's should adopt digital inventory management. Real-time stock tracking and an automated inventory system can help prevent overstocking and stock shortages. This also helps the company predict customers' demand more accurately. Third, McDonald's should strengthen suppliers' relationship. Better communication with suppliers, sharing demand forecasting, and building long-term partnerships can ensure timing delivery and high-quality raw materials. Next, McDonald's should apply lean supply chain practices. This means reducing food waste, improving storage efficiency, and optimizing delivery routes. These practices help lower operations costs and support environmental sustainability. Lastly, McDonald's should use more technology and automotive such as artificial intelligence, warehouse automotive, and data analysis. This helps improve demand prediction, reduce human errors, and improve overall efficiency. In conclusion, this improvement can help McDonald's reduce costs, minimize waste, and improve customer satisfaction, and maintain its strong position in the fast food industry. Thank you.
Next, for additional information, McDonald's focus on sustainability, digitalization, localization, and strong logistic partnerships. They use responsible sourcing, digital systems, and AI to improve efficiency, source local ingredients to reduce costs and improve quality, and work closely with logistic partners to ensure smooth operations. In conclusion, McDonald's Malaysia has a well-integrated supply chain system that supports smooth business operations. However, there are still challenges such as supply disruptions, high costs, logistic issues, and halal compliance risks. Therefore, continuous improvements are important to increase efficiency, sustainability, and customer satisfaction.